Hi, Charlie. Charlie just got a new collar. And she needs her first bath. I think Roxy likes it. What do you think, Rox? You a little jealous? Are you a little jealous? Charlie. Charlie. Hey. Hey. Let's show them your new collar. Let's show them. Okay? Are you ready? Let's show them your collar. Your collar. Whoops. There you are. Right? Now let's show them your collar. Are you ready? Okay, Roxy. Are you jealous or what? You want to show them your collar? Come here. Let's show them your mustache collar. Let's show them. Whoops. Whoops. Whoops, whoops, whoops.